Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you a little bit more about SiteStripe, so let's get started. Just to make sure and for us to remember, how do we turn it on? You go to Tools, SiteStripe, you wait for it, click on Learn More, and make sure that this is enabled. Now, when you have done that, you can type amazon.com and now you're here. When you have enabled SiteStripe, this up here is now well available to you. Now, what do we need to know about it? Well, you have this option, get link from text. As you can see, you need to make sure that this is accurate and your link is well here. You have a short link and you have a full link. Use it as you want, I guess. You can also press on this and this just, well, goes to Amazon Associates back. And you can also, you usually have this option, text, but you also have another option called text image. Right now I don't have it, but you should probably have it. Honestly, I do not know why I don't have it. Maybe something's glitched for me. But yeah, you should have that option too and use it for whatever you want. It's pretty much same as this option. But yeah, anyhow guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.